Let's start with the setup. Here a power bank is used to power up the system. The system comprises of an ESP8266 based VT Cloud development board, Bluetooth module and an onboard diagnostics adapter. The OBD adapter is already plugged into the vehicle and is paired to the Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module will transmit concerned data to and from the VT board. The demonstration purpose and ease of convenience use of RPM meter and not the actual speedometer. We are making the use of Adafruit IO platform to monitor the speed in real time. MQTT protocol is used for transmitting speed values over internet. The dial shown in the mobile display resembles to virtual RPM meter. The actual RPM meter of vehicle is used to perform a two-step verification. Let's start the vehicle and verify the same. The sampling of the speed values is done with an interval of 200 milliseconds.
Applications of this project may be found in several scenarios, including parents willing to keep their young children driving under supervision, school authorities willing to keep watch on school bus drivers, government monitoring the drivers of public transport vehicles, and so on. In this project, the ESP8266 will query for the RPM or speed to the OBD adapter via the Bluetooth module wirelessly. OBD will respond in an encoded manner and the data decoding process will happen inside the ESP8266. Later on, it will be transmitted to Adafruit server over internet using MQTT protocol.
The SSID credentials, IoT platform credentials, and the API details are specified using the head-defined directive. Essential libraries are included, a client is invoked, and a PubSub network is established as MQTT protocol is being used. A software serial object named as OBD is created for connecting Bluetooth module on GPIO pins 14 and 16 as RX and TX. In the setup function, the push button is set as an input connected to GPIO4. The Bluetooth module is initialized at a baud rate of 38,400 baud per second as the OBD adapter communicates over the same baud rate. Wi-Fi begin function is called to initiate a communication request to our hotspot. The data transmission will actually start when a key press is detected on the button. The loop function will run indefinitely. The get RPM function will return the current RPM value and which will be stored in a variable called RPM. The MQTT connect function is responsible for the connection between the Adafruit and MQTT server. IoT.publish RPM command will be used to publish the value of RPM variable to the subscribed clients at a sampling time of 200 milliseconds. In getRPM function, the ESP8266 will query for the RPM using a command 010C. More documentation over such commands used by OBD is available on Wikipedia. The function will decode and return the RPM value to the caller function. The MQTT connect function will simply help us to get connected with the Adafruit MQTT server.
Thank you.